So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sujay the Phoenix. So in this video what you are going to see is how to download Unity in Windows or Mac. Okay, so before that, thanks for giving some views for the multiplayer FPS game and for the episode 1. So episode 3 is coming soon, so just wait for a week or something, it will be ready. So before that, first let's go and click Unity download. Okay, and after you go there, here go to this link unity3d.com. I'll give the link in description down below. Don't click choose your Unity plus download. First click download Unity Hub. Okay, and you have to go to File Explorer. It will appear here in the downloads, so you have to double click it and open that one. So I'll just show it to you. So it appears, it will come here in the downloads and you have to double click that and click yes. After you click yes, Unity Hub opens here. Okay, so then you have to sign in. Okay, let me just show it to you here. You have to, if you don't have a Unity ID, you have to create it. Just click create Unity ID and give the what is that, email, password, your name and full name. And I am not a robot, I create Unity Hub. Go here, you sign in. I will sign in there and you have to go there, click manage license, click activate new license. After that, check it, and it will ask Unity for personal or plus or pro. You have to give personal. Okay, I am using the personal only, and go here and click add Unity. I am using the current version 2020.3 because it frequently keeps giving an update, so I am tired of it. So I am using this. I am waiting for the official release of 2020 version. I am still not using the 2021 because it's not a long-term support. And then you have to click add. Next, you have to select Microsoft, Visual Studio and Android build. Okay, you have to select all of these, and iOS build. If you want to build for TV, you have to click that, and Linux, all that. So next, I have agreed with all, and I have agreed and done. It will give you the yes or no option again. You have to click yes and it will start downloading, and then you can go to your projects, create a new project, and yeah, you can open it. It's gonna open. Okay, so now I'll click skip new version. This is the main scene on Unity. So yeah, that's it. Congratulations, you have created your new Unity ID, and let's say you're a game developer. Okay, signing out for now. Peace out. And before that, subscribe to Evo Phoenix.